Hey, what's happening, folks? Mike here from Long Island Shaving. Welcome back to the Shave Den, and thank you for joining me, as always, in the Shave Den. Do appreciate you being here. Actually got a quick unboxing, actually two unboxings to share with you. One that I already done already, and the other I have not opened yet. And thank you for those of you that were part of the Copper Aspiring Challenge. It was a lot of fun. It was a great idea that John from Heritage Hill Shaving had. As me being one of the spies, one of five. It was a lot of fun doing it. I did pre-record that video, which dropped today. But today I'm actually doing a quick unboxing. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Actually, another shave set from Heritage Hill, which is Patriot. This is one that I ordered actually on Father's Day. He had a Father's Day sale. So I went ahead and purchased another set because I've really been enjoying John's products, and this is a great lime, bergamot, and patchouli. Very simple. I do like fragrances that have lime in it. And this is a really nice lime forward, citrus forward with a little touch of patchouli. And it's really nice, refreshing, perfect time of the year for something like this. So it's a great summer fragrance. And I also picked it up with the matching splash. And I absolutely love the labels as well. So now I have this in-house. I shared with you guys John Paul Jones, which was part of my Copper Aspiring Shave of the Day. And then Washington. So there's a lot of great ones to choose from. And now you guys have the opportunity. Once you kind of crack that code and get that special discount code, you can get 30% off your purchase through July 5th. So enjoy that. All right, so now have that. Great fragrance. I'm also going to, by the way, I'm going to be making that my shave of the day today. I'm going to be also using this brush that was actually gifted to me from a good friend of the channel, Brett Hilton, which actually set it with a really nice New York Yankees coin and had this custom made for me with a G5C knot. So it's one of my favorite brushes to use, especially when the Yankees are playing and they're winning. But as of late, even though they're in first place, they're still struggling right now with some of the key players out of the lineup. So it's been a little rough. But let's get right into what I wanted to share with you guys today. If you guys remember, I had mentioned that Brett Hilton was kind enough to offer to polish one of my razors for me. He had offered, and I took him up on that offer. So thank you very much, Brett, for doing that. So originally I was going to do my Blackbird Ti, have that polished. But when I saw the what am I calling? I forgot the razor already. The Bison, the stainless steel Bison. When I saw how good that looked, I looked at my satin finish Overlander. I'm like, would you mind polishing that up for me, nice as well? So I have not seen it. He showed me a before photo. But did not share what the end result was. So I'm going to go ahead and share that with you guys in today's video. So I got the box right here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And I'm sure they look amazing, especially since he's keeping it in suspense for me. So, but thank you again, Brett, for doing this for me. I really do appreciate it. Great gent in the community. Really nice of him to offer. And he had a RazoRock Recurve Razor that he felt was a little too aggressive for him. I forgot the blade gap. I think it's one of the higher ones. I know they come in different variations. It's probably going to be written on the box because he kind of likes razors a little bit more for sensitive skin, a little milder. So he reordered that one for himself. So I don't see anything yet. Really nicely packaged here. Brett always packages his boxes really well. I have the Overlander here, which, man, I'm not sure which one I want to see first. You know what? I'll start with the RazoRock Razor that I had actually bought from him. So this is the Recurve RC80 Plus. Brand new. He just thought it was a little too aggressive for him, and I typically like the more aggressive, efficient razors, so he felt this would be a good fit for me. So this will actually be the first time me seeing this razor as well. Let's go ahead and take that out. All right, so there is the Recurve. Really nuts, a long handle, barbershop handle, I think they call this one, or the Bravo, I'm not sure. But that is the Recurve from RazoRock. So, you know what? Maybe I will get this on a shave. Maybe tomorrow I'll get this in on a shave. So, looking forward to that. Actually, I have another handle here that maybe I'll use. So, this is the barber pole handle. I actually have one here that I had on a different razor, which is also from RazoRock. Actually may look really nice together using this one. So, let me see. So, I can either use that handle or this one, which actually I think it makes it look really nice with that handle. I forgot what they call this handle, but I had it laying here as I'm shooting this video, and I thought, you know what? I can interchange these handles. So really cool. So thank you again, Brett. I actually never had the longer handle, barber pole handle, I think they call this one. So that's pretty cool. I have the shorter version. Do I actually have it here? I do, right? With the RazoRock Goat. So there it is. So as you guys can see, it's much longer. All right, very nice. But let's get into, I want to see what this Overlander and Blackbird looks like. Fully polished. All right, put all this stuff aside. I need like a shelf over here to put things on. Oh, and he also included, which I've never tried, and he mentioned to me are really great blades, the Tatcha Reds. So I'll be trying those as well. A lot of great gents in the community have been recommending this blade. I tried the Tatcha Blues, but these are the Tatcha Reds. So I have them here. I'll take that out. So I'll maybe incorporating that into an upcoming shave. All right, let's start with the Blackbird. I'm going to start with the Blackbird today. Love the packaging. Everything's protected. All right, put that aside. Now this is my box. I shipped it to him with my box just to protect it. Put that aside. I see some shine there. He did tell me the Blackbird looks really nice, fully polished. So I am looking forward to seeing this. Wow, that is nice. Put that aside. That is just gorgeous. Man, love the shine on this. Thank you very much. I'm showing the camera, but I'm really not looking at it. Wow, the attention to detail on this polishing finish is exceptional. I really like this. And it actually may change the way the shave feels too. You may get a little bit more glide, less resistance from the satin finish. But the Blackbird does look really nice, fully polished. Mirror finish. That is awesome. Thank you very much, Brett. Man, that is gorgeous. I like that a lot. I'm glad I did this one. But I'm really looking forward to how the Overlander looks after looking at the Bison. Because I think he also did like a sort of like a two-tone finish like he did with the Bison. If you guys remember when I did that battle the other day. Let's go ahead and open up the Overlander. I mean, I'm blown away by that Blackbird, but this one I think is going to be really special with that really nice two-tone finish. All right, put this. I need more room, counter room here. Wow. There you go. So he kind of kept the handle, didn't completely, wow, that looks amazing. That looks amazing. I love that, you know, he did that two-tone fit, because I'm sure you could have fully polished the handle, but what he did is actually inside the grooves there, polish those grooves, but left that matte finish to give it like that two-tone look. But that is gorgeous. I'm sure this video does not do this justice, but I can't speak today. It's still too early in the morning. It just became the afternoon. Wow, I'm blown away with how good this looks. So there you go, the Overlander and the Blackbird fully polished. Man, I can't wait to get this into a shave because I really enjoy this, especially when you want to have those really nice mild shaves. And now with it being fully polished, it definitely should glide a lot smoother than it did previously. And I really enjoyed the way it shaved previously as well. But Brett, you really did a really nice job, and I really do appreciate you doing this. Wow, I'm blown away. It looks excellent. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to kind of share that real quick with you. I thought about this morning because I knew this package was on its way and I was going to be receiving it this afternoon. And I did get Patriot from Heritage Hill, so I figured I wanted to share that. Again, really nice lime, bergamot, and patchouli scent. But man, those razors came out amazing. So thank you again very much. Again, I hope you guys really enjoyed that Copper Ring Spy Ring Challenge. It was a lot of fun. There's also a Copper Spy Ring new release also at Heritage Hill, if you guys haven't noticed there. So perhaps those set notes are appealing to you, and you can kind of give that one a check that out. So when you do get that, break that code and get that discount code, you can perhaps use it there. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick share of those two razors fully polished along with the set, and may get a shave in tomorrow. So maybe I'll do a shave video tomorrow with Patriot or perhaps something else. And I definitely may start with the Overlander next. So thank you very much. 11 minutes in, quick video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And thank you again, Brett. That was really nice of you to do that, and I think it looks amazing. So with that, you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.